we are just getting crushed right now budget-wise. And so the first thing that comes to my mind when I hear what does AI need to do, AI is going to come at a cost. AI is going to come at a premium because someone's going to know they can capitalize on it. And everything I've ever understood at the district level is if I've got a computer program, if I've got a textbook, if I want to buy, meals for the soccer team, it has to come from an approved vendor. And the approved vendor for AI is going to be, finish the sentence, and they're going to charge the district a premium because they can. And we're already operating probably at a loss. So this is great in theory, but how are we going to justify paying X amount of dollars when we just cut 12 positions? And I'm just making that number up. I don't know what it is. But I'm just in being generalities. Unfortunately, Makota, we're going to have to let you go because we're going to get an AI specialist in the district.
That's right.
I don't know if you have any kind of closing thoughts on, any kind of important advice for educators navigating the whole AI space.
Overall, it's a scary space because we're all kind of hoping right now, for me and a lot of other educators, is how much more change can we go through from a year-to-year basis in staffing, in our workload, let's say. But again, Scott, I love what you said, just be invisible. If they can find a way to marry both that AI education into our own workload, that would be amazing. And as teachers, we can't say, that's not how I teach. This is how I teach math, or this is how I teach health. It's got to evolve. Or
let them do what they do best and get out of the way.
Yes. Yeah. And as teachers, oh man, I love being in front of kids. I love giving my kids my passion, my energy on a daily basis. But what just muddies it up is when there's procedures coming from the top down to all right, we got to make sure we're doing these things and taking us away from the front of the room. So
beautifully said.
Yeah, definitely. I think I want to thank you again for your time, Dan. It's been great talking to you about this. It's a topic that's been at the top of everybody's mind, especially if you have kids, kind of seeing where things are going, what's going on in teachers' heads, what their headspace is in regards to this. But I think, maybe some closing thoughts as we conclude this podcast. The integration of AI in education presents both unprecedented opportunities and significant challenges. For special education teachers, AI can automate administrative tasks, allowing for more focus on high-value instructional activities and relationship building. At IIIMPACT, we specialize in helping organizations integrate AI strategically with a focus on sustainable implementation that enhances rather than replaces human capabilities. This approach is particularly critical in educational contexts where the stakes involved not just for organizational outcomes, but for the development of young minds. Visit our website in the description below to learn how we can help your educational institution develop a strategic approach to AI integration that enhances teaching and learning while preserving the essential human elements of education. Thanks again for tuning in. Like and subscribe, and leave a comment below. We'll see you next time. Take care. I'm curious, in video games, cheat codes let you skip months of grinding to unlock special abilities instantly. Have you ever wished for something similar for your software challenges? What if there's a way to instantly access 20 plus years of specialized expertise instead of developing it all internally? What if you could solve in weeks what might otherwise take months or years? Would you agree that most organizations face a steep learning curve when implementing new software solutions? At my company IIIMPACT, we serve as that cheat code for companies looking to transform complex software into intuitive experiences that users love and that drive real business results. Would it be valuable to explore? And how might this work for your specific situation? Visit impact.io for a free strategy session focused on your unique challenges.